Hi, I'm Leo and welcome to School.me. In this tutorial, we'll be going over JavaScript Object Literal. Now, in JavaScript, Object Literal is a comma-separated name value pair wrapped up in curly braces. So here we declare our variable, we put our name, and we open up our curly braces. Now, in this code block, that's where we put our name value pair and we separate each one with a comma. So that's what the object literal is. So why use object literal? Now, one is it minimizes the use of global variable, which can cause some problems when you're combining code. And secondly, it enables you to write code that supports loads of features yet simple and straightforward. So I'll move over to my text editor and show you an example of how this works. Alright guys, at the end of this tutorial, if you think the video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have anything to say or any questions, just leave a comment, and if you're new, please consider subscribing for more updates. Alright, so here I have my name value pair, each one separated by a comma. Now you can see the first name is David, last name Leo, and occupation engineer. So when I save this and open it up in my browser, you'll notice it's going to give me the first name, the last name, and the occupation. Now you remember the concept of nesting in HTML. Now this also works here. Now let's say I want to add more details here, and what I'll do is I'll open up another curly braces and I'll put all the details that I want to add. So here I want to say the job is web developer, qualification is bachelor in engineering, electrical electronic, and experience is 2 years. So you can see I opened up another curly braces and put this name value pair in this code block. So when I save this and go back to my browser, you'll notice instead of giving me occupation, it's going to give me those other details. So here you can see it says experience is 2 years, job web developer, and qualification is bachelor in engineering, electrical and electronic. So this is one way you can play with JavaScript object literal. Alright, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.